Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to calculate 15% discount. If you prefer to subtract the 15% discount from the original price, you can write out the standard math formula. I have a fruit name and their prices given in the B3 cell. So for this you need to put the equal signs and then select the cell's reference where the price is mentioned and then put the minus signs, open the bracket and then select the cells. Excel calculate first to get the discounted amount and then subtract it from the B3 and then put the multiply sign and type 15 divide by 100 and close the bracket, hit enter, and here you can see that apply this formula to the all other rows by dragging. In the second method, if you don't want to type the percentage symbol, you can use the decimal equivalent of the 15% directly. For this you need to put the equal sign and select the cells reference into, open the bracket, 1 minus 0.15 and close the bracket, hit enter. This is the decimal standard method. So in the third method, if you have a whole list of prices in the column B3, then you want to apply a 15% discount to all of them using a single master discount. So for this, you need to put the 15% discount in the column C. So for this, you need to put the equal sign and select the price cells reference into, open the bracket, 1 minus, select the discount cells reference and press the F4 to freeze the cell, close the bracket, hit enter, and here you can drag the fill handle down the column. So make sure the dollar sign locks the cell in place, so when you drag the formula down to the other rows, Excel will always point back to C3 for the 15% discount. There is another easy method. For this you need to click on the cell where you want the discounted price and now type the following formula assuming your original price in the cell B3. Put the equal sign, select the cell's reference into 0.85. Hit enter and make sure subtracting 15% from the total is the exact same as calculating 85%. Like 100% minus 15% equal to the 85% or the 0.85%. Drag the formula to the other rows like this one. So in another method, you need to put the equal sign, select the price reference, multiply by 15, divide by 100 and hit enter. You can calculate the discounted price in the separate column and then you need to put the equal sign, select the cell's reference and minus the discount and drag the formula to the other rows. This is so simple and easy. With these way, you can easily calculate 15% discount. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.